How to see who follows you on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To see who follows you on Snapchat, go ahead and launch a Snapchat application first and foremost. Now from here, you need to head over and click on the bit emoji icon that is in your top left corner. So right here you have two of the options, that is my account and public profile. To check out your followers, click on public profile. Now right next to your username, you will see that all of your followers are enlisted right over here. It will only display the number of followers, however, if you click on it, it will not display the followers. So who are actually this 197 followers? These are actually your Snapchat friends. Now to check out the Snapchat friend or your followers, click on My Friends option, and right here you will find all of your followers that are actually your Snapchat friend. So this is how exactly you can see who follows you on Snapchat. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.